Hi guys, this is me Ayush and welcome back to my YouTube channel and Insinuating Ayush. So in today's video I'll be telling you that how can you paint a very simple and easy travel women. So you can see this is the travel women that I have painted, and this is the only thing that I'm going to show you that how you can paint it throughout my video. So stay tuned and watch it.
So let's take a quick view to all the materials that we need to paint this painting.
First of all, we need a white chart paper, or you can take any paper. We need ruler. We need a spray bottle, or you can avoid, or you can directly apply the water with the help of a paintbrush. Now the next we need paintbrush. You can take the paintbrush of different size. We will be taking a scissor. Watercolors, you can take poster colors or fabric colors. A piece of sponge. Last but not the least, a pencil.
So this is to inform you that we are about to start.
So guys, what we are doing is that I'm taking the paper. You can see the length I have already mentioned in the video. So you can see now what I'm just simply doing. I'm taking the pencil, and with the help of my pencil, taking the same measure, I'm gonna make an exact lines. So you can see the way I have made an exact line with the help of a ruler. So just simply I'm taking a scissor, and with the help of my scissor I'm gonna cut it. So guys, you can see I have cut it. So this is something measure. You can change the length if you want to make it more big, so you can measure it according to your wish. So now you can see that I'm taking the spray bottle, so I'm just spraying it. Guys, you can literally avoid that step. I mean to say that you can avoid taking the spray bottle. Just the purpose was that I was having the spray bottle, so I just need to make the paper wet. Or you can just simply do is that you can take the water, and with the help of a paintbrush you can apply the water on your art sheet just to make the paper wet. And the reason was that I need to spread the colors all where and to make the colors look more blendable, and thus I have used. So you can see this is some of the list of the colors that I've used in painting. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention the white color. The reason was that actually I was using the poster color, and poster color pink color was not available, but in upcoming I have mentioned that when we will mix white and when we will mix red, it will make the pink color. So yeah, I have to take pink color. If you are having pink color, then you can directly take the pink color. So what you can see is that I have applied the yellow color on the top. You do not have to blend it with the help of your brush. So now I'm taking vermilion hue color. This is the orange color. So below yellow I'm applying this color. You do not have to apply full color on whole the sheet. You can just apply it on the little bit of the areas. Now I'm applying poster red color below orange. So you can see this is little bit of the brown shade color. So now I'm applying it, very little color I'm using, and I'm applying it below poster red. You can avoid applying this because it won't give you so much depth, but it is necessary to apply black color. So here I'm applying some of the black color just to provide the depth from down. So again I'm using the spray bottle because the color has gotten dry. So to make the colors wet again, I'm spraying it. So now I'm taking the piece of a sponge, and I'm just going to blend it.
So here I'm providing you a tip that is very important to follow.
So the tip is that while you are ever blending your colors with the help of a sponge, so this is a very good tip that you should always follow and you should keep in your mind. And the tip is that always blend your colors from light to dark. I mean to say that you can see the yellow is the most lightest color among all the color. So you should always try to do the thing is that you should always try to blend your colors from light to dark. That means you should blend first yellow, then orange, then poster red, then black and brown. So you can see I'm also following the same tip, that is I'm blending the light colors to dark colors. So you can see I'm following the same process. So now what I'm just gonna do is that to make it look more immensible and look more pleasure. So what I'm just simply doing is that I'm taking orange color to little bit more high. So this is the way I have blended the whole color. Sorry guys, it will take little bit time to get dry, so I've already made one for you. So this is something that I have did by blending all the colors together. So you can see this is a figure of a lady that we want to create, and this is the only figure that we will be painting. So what I have did, I have made a figure of the lady on a rough paper. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna trace this out on my sheet where I have blended the colors. If you are a beginner, so you can follow the same tip. So this is the way that I have kept it. You have to measure all the sides. So this is the way I have measured all the side, and in the center only I have to draw the lady. So you can see that I have kept it on the mat sheet. So with the help of my tape, I'm gonna stick it to all the sides. Just the reason was that my paper do not go here and there, and my tracing should go wrong. So you can see now I'm start to trace. So now guys, you can see my full tracing is done. So what I'm just gonna do is that I'm taking a scissor. You can take a knife or you can take a cutter to remove the tapes.
Be very careful in removing the tape because it can damage your painting.
So now guys, you can see that I have carefully removed the paper. So this is the way I have traced it. I think you can't see it properly, so I'll be bringing it closer to you, to the camera, to make you look visible. So you can see very little it is visible. You can see the tracing is done. So now next what I'm gonna do is that just with the help of my pencil, I'm gonna trace it out. Means on that only I'm just gonna draw that again. So you can see with the help of my pencil I have drawn it again. So now I'm taking poster black color. So I'm going to tell you the parts on which you have to paint the black color. So on the head, on the neck, and on its waist, and on the legs. You can see the places that I have told and I have marked to paint the black color. I have painted. Sorry guys, I'm a beginner, means I'm a new YouTuber, so I can't paint while shooting the video, so that is the reason why I have painted it beforehanded. So now I'm taking the red color and I'm gonna paint it on its bun. I don't know what it is literally. It can be a bun or whatsoever it is. Most probably it is a bun only. So yeah, you can see that I'm painting it on that portion. And this portion. So you can see that on the both the portion I have. So yeah, I was telling you that I was not having the pink, so I have took white and red color to make pink color. So it is a very light pink color that I need to paint. You can change the shade, you can paint the darker, or you can you can do, you can paint red also if you don't mind, but I literally want to paint it pink, so I have did that. So I'm taking black color. The reason of taking the black color is just to outline the areas where I have painted the red color. So on the pink cloth only, also I'm gonna outline with the help of my black color. So you can see the way I've outlined all the parts. So I'm taking the orange color. So what I'm just gonna do is that you can change the shade of the color. The reason is that I just want to create some of the design on its skirt or the cloth that I have painted as pink. So you can change the design. I'm just using the circle. I have painted the circle, and square you can paint it on the different shapes, or you can choose different designs. So you can see I have painted 2 circles and 1 square. So now I'm again taking little bit of black color. I'm gonna outline these shapes first, and I've kept dots in middle of them. So you can see the art painting is ready. Guys, if you like the painting, then do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for the latest updates of my videos, like my video, share my video with your friends and with your families, and share your feelings in the comment section. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.